Crafty people, I am here with a design team project for Craft Fantastic. I I have been finding the most amazing digital papers on Etsy, and I'm excited to share with you what I came up with. And I used only glass pieces from Craft Fantastic for these cards, and these are boxed cards. So you can see the glass pieces, and if my camera will focus, you can see that inside this one is a seahorse, a starfish, a shell, and another shell. Really, really beautiful. They look like bubbles going up from my little cluster of fussy cut images from the collection, and this great mermaid. So on the front of the box is a place to write who it's to and who it's from. And I did embellish with papers all around the box. So that's the box. And you open it up. And this is what's inside the box. And you guys probably already know this is a saturated canary image. When you take the card out of the box, there's more beautiful paper on the bottom of the box. So this is a shaker card. And I'm going to tell you guys, last round of shaker cards I did, I had a lot of problems with the hot glue and the fabric tack actually holding the shaker pocket together. So I have a ton of this for mini albums, and this stuff works way better. So it's harder to get it to go around, you know, in an oval or a circle, but I cut each piece and it's holding really, really good. So I want to deter you from hot glue anymore. You know, it can work, but, you know, there's more issues with it. I did use hot glue on the back piece. But anyway, I'll do another tutorial at some point in time. So I put little pearls all over my mermaid's hair. And then on the card, I just use the glass pieces to look like bubbles. So they have a large variety of sizes of the round, the oval, the squares, and they have all kinds of shaped glass pieces as well. I added a few little sea creature embellishments that I had in my stash. This is a Go Create die, I believe. And this is a Marianne Designs die back here. And then just a mixture of different sequins from my stash. When this card pops up, it pops up like this with more glass from Craft Fantastic and the cute little shells. And then there's a place to write your personal message. So let me tilt you down a little bit. There we go. Voila, card number 1. I love it. I'm not going to put it back in the box. I'm going to leave it right here. All right. The next card is also from the same digital artist, and these are like watercolor digital papers, and I really love them. I will absolutely link her in the description box down below because I know you guys are going to love these. I created this one, and I had wanted some lavender paper for the background, but I didn't have any. But I found this great glitter paper, so that's what I used. Now, this collection is a little bit different. It's the same mermaid, but in a different color pattern and in different themes because we didn't have a turtle in the other one. So just love her, and her great hair kind of goes back behind here. But I layered all my glass pieces with the different shells. This one's a starfish. And then I popped up a seahorse and some shells there for the sentiment area. And then, of course, this is embellished all the way around on the sides. And the box opens. And this is what's inside. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, I just love Saturated Canary so much. So there's the inside of the box. And this also is a shaker. So you can see the sequins back behind her. I kind of wish I had cut this out. I think I did last year when I was working with mermaids. So I do wish I had cut that out, but I didn't. So here again, we use the glass pieces as bubbles. And then when she pops up, same thing. There's a seahorse there and some shells. And that's my stopper. So that's card number 2. All right, guys. So excited about these. I know it's only April, but I could not wait any longer to work with the mermaids. They're my favorite. I like them even more than fairies. And Saturated Canary is, these are just brilliant, and I love them. And I hope you like the boxes that match them. I will be doing a tutorial on the boxes, and I will do a tutorial on how to make this shaker frame, and how to use your double-sided sticky tape for that. So, okay, thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day. Please check out Craft Fantastic. I will link them in the description box down below, and if you like the papers, I will link them as well. Have a happy scrappy day.